This is a ELGAR AC power source. This is a 503A. It's got this 400 SR blink panel plug-in. I have a picture of the inside of it. It's in very nice shape. Came in as government surplus for us. 2009 date. This is 2011. Had this plug on it. It says it's a 110 unit. It's not on the tags, but when I looked it up online, it says it's a 110. So I'm running 110 into it. It could be that it needs 230, but some of the fans say 115 on them, so I'm not going to do that. But right now I just have it hooked up that way. I don't have that plug, but I hooked it up this way. Anyways, let me turn this off. Okay, I shouldn't be getting any voltage in here, but of course I probably am. Yeah, with nothing it's getting voltage. Oh, it's because the capacitors. I don't know, it's still getting 0.39 AC voltage from the air. Who knows? Anyways, power this up. Fans kick on. I'm going to take my gauges here. I'm going to go from... I get 100 or 1.11 volts, and it doesn't matter what rail I go to, I get about the same thing. I'm just switching. So, and then if I go back in here, so I have 1.14 now, and I turn the knob, it still says 1.14. I turn this switch here, C, and I try and turn the knob. I'm up to 1.15. I don't know. I don't know how this thing works. It's some kind of AC power supply. It's supposed to take 115 and make 3-phase out of it. 167 volts is what I read online. I'll post the specs that I see. Otherwise, that's the unit. It's about 140 pounds. It's going to have to be shipped on a pallet. But that's the unit. If you got questions or concerns, let me know. Thank you.